easy to measure for sunbrella window treatments and hang them like a pro. Let's start by measuring your windows to ensure the perfect fit. You'll need a measuring tape, pen, and paper. First, measure the width of your window. If your window has molding around it, measure from the outer edges of the molding. Write down the width on your piece of paper. Multiply the width by 2 to allow for the recommended fullness and coverage. Next, measure the length. If you need to install a curtain rod, it should be placed 4 to 6 inches above the top of the window. Once your curtain rod is in place, measure from the rod to the floor. Now, let's think about lengths and styles. If you want your drapes to have a clean, crisp look, they should stop just short of the floor or kiss the floor. For drapes that float just above the floor, subtract a ½ inch from the rod to floor measurement. To kiss the floor, use the rod to floor measurement exactly. If you'd like your drapes to puddle or pool for a dramatic, elegant effect, add 4 to 6 inches to the length, depending on how much fabric you want to puddle on the floor. Now you need to consider how the curtains will be hung. Sunbrella curtains are offered in 2 header styles: a 3-in-1 construction that gives you options to hang from the rod pocket, back tab, or clip rings, or a grommet style that simply slips onto your curtain rod. If you choose the 3-in-1 style and choose to hang with clip rings, please note that the clip rings are sold separately, and you'll want to get 7 clip rings for every 50-inch curtain panel you use. If you're using a curtain rod with clip rings, subtract the height of the rod and ring from your length. Using these simple measurements, you're ready to order your curtains. When your curtains arrive, they're ready for hanging. To hang with a rod pocket, back tabs, or grommets, just slide your curtain rod through and hang the rod on the brackets. If you're using clip rings, you'll want to lay the panel flat out and attach a clip ring at the center of each tab. Now you're ready to slip the rings onto your curtain rod and hang the rod on the brackets. All done! We hope this video has taken the guesswork out of measuring and hanging the perfect curtains. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new sunbrella window treatments.